break of structure, market structure shift, change of character. How can you as a trader in the forex market, cryptocurrency, commodity, index, stock market take advantage of the knowledge of break of structure, market structure shift, and change of character to analyze the market in order to refine or to improve your trading results? This is what you will learn in this tutorial today. Break of structure, market structure shift, change of character shows you how the market switches from one trend to another. Inability to have a proper in-depth understanding of break of structure, market structure shift, change of character will usually lead to financial losses in trading. So this is why you need to take your time, exercise patience, be focused, be serious to watch this video from the beginning till the end, so you can have an in-depth understanding of break of structure, market structure shift, and change of character. Okay, before we get started, ensure you become a subscriber today and hit on that notification bell. With that being said, let's dive in on break of structure, market structure, and change of character tutorial guide for beginners. Let's put out us these terms right here. We have the BOS, which is an abbreviation for break of structure. Okay, well, we explained that. And we have the MSS, which is an abbreviation for market structure shift, market structure shift, market structure shift, right, shift. And we have the next one, which is the CHOC. Some will put it as CHOC, while some will put it as CHOCH, right? So we have it as change of character, right? So some will just prefer to just shorten it to be choke. So why some will prefer to put H at the front. So whichever one you want to use, just choose the one you prefer, right? So I prefer to use just choke, change of character. Now, what is break of structure? What is market structure? What is change of character? Now, let's talk first on break of structure. Let's talk about break of structure as the first key structure right here. Now, we all know in a bullish market structure, we have something like this. In a bullish market structure, we have market moving up in this direction. This is a typical example of a bullish market structure. You can see our price goes up. Now, when we seek a break of structure, we technically mean, okay, when price goes above a previous high, when price breaks up, then we mean price has broken that high. So we call it a break of a particular structure. Now, the continuation of this pattern gives us repetitions of break of structure to the upside, break of structure to the upside, break of structure to the upside. So in summary, what we call the break of structure, these are the zones at which price breaks up to give us a more higher structure. So we have our break of structure. Above, you can see our price kept breaking that structure. It breaks it up, we tag it as a break of structure. It breaks it, we tag it as a break of structure. So the break point right here, or the break of our horizontal line, is what we call break of structure. That is it in a bullish market structure. Now, let's reverse the case for a downward market structure. Now, in a downward market structure, we have price going down like this. We have what we call low highs and lower low, low highs and lower low. This is a bearish market structure. So whenever price breaks the lows in this market, that is what we call break of structure. And we have the repetitions of this pattern all the way down. We have more all the way down. Now, when price break this lower low for more lower low, we call it break of structure. So down below right here, this horizontal line, when we take it out, we call it the break of structure. You can see our price kept breaking this low for more break of structure. So this is what we call break of structure. In a downtrend, when price breaks structure, we have lower low, right? Likewise, when we talk about break of structure in an uptrend, when price breaks the structure, we have higher highs, at the bottom we have higher low. So this is what we call break of structure. Now there is going to be a time whereby market will change direction. Now let's take for instance we have a bullish market structure like this. Now market is going up, taking out structures, that is breaking highs, having pushback, repeating the pattern, breaking structure, and the price is going up, repeating the pattern, breaking structure, and on. You can see that. Now let's tag this right here as our break of structure. You can see that we broke this structure to a more higher high, we broke this structure to a more higher high, we broke this structure to a more higher high, and the repetition, we broke this structure to a more higher high. Now let's tag this break right here, our POS. Now when we break this structure, already explained earlier, I said it suggests price is willing to progress for more bullish upward rally, right? So for more bullish upward rally, that is what price is telling us. It means price is going up for more bullish upward rally. You can see that break of structure. Now a time will come whereby suddenly price will go against this push, whereby price will come all the way down. You can see that. So whenever price goes all the way down, whereby we have something like this. Now based on what we have right here, you can see price took out this higher low, unlike what we had in the existing trend right from this low structure right here. You can see whenever price goes up, price never comes back into these lows, which we call higher low in an uptrend market. You can see price never come back into this low. You can see that price never come back into this low. Instead, price keeps on giving us a higher high and respecting this low. So whenever price takes out the first higher low in a bullish market structure, you don't call it a change of character, and this is where traders miss it, right? It's not a change of character, because price taking out a higher low doesn't mean the market has changed. Sometimes there may be volatility in the market, or liquidity, or kind of manipulation in the market, whereby what you see next is price will just continue upward like this, and then boom. And most time this happens in the market. So when you see this, you don't call it a change of character. Instead, what you call it is, oh, we have a market structure shift. Now market structure shift is MSS. So this is your first market structure shift. It's telling you that, oh, market is getting weaker, and we are seeing a pattern which is going against the existing trend. So price is going against the existing trend, but this hasn't given us the clear indication that price is about to switch to the downside. So the first break of a higher low in the bullish market structure is what we call market structure shift. Now let's see that in a bearish market structure. So in a bearish market structure, we have a pattern going down like this. We have price giving us a lower low and a low high, lower low, low high. Price kept on going all the way down. We already know, okay, this is a market going in a downward direction, right? But there comes a time whereby price just take out this low highs right here. Now let's tag these levels right here. We have this swing low taken out. We call them break of structure, and they will take them down for more lower low, break of structure, and they will take it more down, lower low, break of structure. It takes it more down, and they will call it break of structure. Now let's tag this break of structure. So we have our break to the downside as break of structure. So let's copy and replicate them. Break of structure, and again break of structure, and again break of structure to the downside. Now at the top we have low highs, lower low. So when price takes out this low highs right here, now you take out the first low highs right here. You don't call it a change of character. Now what we have right here is simply a price taking out these low high swings right here. This is the first time price is taking out our low high swings right here. So this doesn't mean the market has changed into a bullish market. So at times volatility, manipulation, buy side liquidity may result into price pushing to this level, and then most times you see price now reversing and continue to the downside. So this is no sweep of liquidity, buy side liquidity, manipulation in the market. So this doesn't mean, oh, market has no change. Instead, what you call this section is what we call market structure shift, that is MSS. So it means market is now going or showing a kind of weak signal from the seller side. So the sellers are weak to the extent whereby the buyers were able to push deeper or clear out the first low highs in this downtrend. Now this is what market structure is all about. Now let me explain further what we called a change of character. Now let's continue on this bearish trend before we move on back, or we navigate back to the bullish market structure. Now, as price breaks out this level right here, for you to see a change of character, price has to take out 2 consecutive low highs in a downtrend before you can see a change of character. And this is where most traders get it wrong. When they say the first level or low highs taken out in a downtrend, they say, oh, change of character. It is wrong. It is wrong. It's wrong. Now, when price takes out this level right here, this is the second low high swing right here. Let's say, for instance, price may go up like this, or price may decide just to give us a kind of a pushback, something like this, and then it goes up like this. Now, at this structure right here, which is the second low high swing, this is where we say, okay, price is now giving us a change of character, which we see our CHOC, change of character. So this is how you label your chart. It means price took out the first low highs and the sellers were able to do nothing, or maybe they tried to set it back, but price went up again to take out our next low high swing, which indicates, oh, the buyers are now showing the genuineness or the strength or the interest to push price up for a more bullish market structure shift. And you can see right here, this would be our first higher low in this market, and you can tag this level right here, the break of this level right here, as what we call our internal break of structure, which will be IBOS, internal break of structure. You can see that this is our internal break of structure because it is inside our change of character. So as the market progresses upward, whereby we have price pushing down and then going up, then you have another what, higher low structure right here, and at this level right now, you can now say, okay, we have our external break of structure because it is now outside of our change of character zone. So you can now call this right here as external break of structure. So you can put it as EBOS, or you just put it as what, ordinary break of structure, right? So you can put EBOS to show you this an external break of structure, or you can just leave it as break of structure. So what I do on my chart is I leave this as break of structure in capital letter, and I use the first break of structure inside change of character as small letter IBOS to show it's an internal break of structure. Now let's progress further to see what we have in a bullish market structure. So in a bullish market structure, we have price moving up this way like this. We have it going up and then going up like this, and then suddenly price do what, price breaks out this level right here. Right, so now let's mark all these structures right here. At the top right here, we call them break of structure. Price kept on repeating break into the more higher high zones. You can see that price breaks out again, moves up again, higher high, price goes up again, moves up right here, higher high. You can see that. So, and to our surprise, price takes out this level right here. Remember, this is not a change of character. This is just an early indication of weakness in the bullish momentum, which we tag as market structure shift. So this hasn't guaranteed market is bearish. Now price can either go this way and take out this previous or the second higher low right here. So right here we have our higher low swings right here, and this is the last higher low swing price took out at this level. When price goes this way, it takes out this higher low structure right here. Now we can see, yes, price is showing us it's about to change, and sometimes price may not get right here. Price may stop right here and then give us what we called push back, and then comes back and take out the structure right here. Now you have something like this, and there's something like this. You can see that. So what we call this level right here is our first low high swings right here, low high swings, and this level right here, we took out this level right here as our IBOS, internal break of structure. And why is it an internal break of structure? It's an internal break of structure because we still have a change of character level right there. So this is where price change. So any first break of structure inside a change of character is what we call internal break of structure. So right here, we call this level right here our change of character, our choke. So as price keeps on moving all the way down, whereby we have another pushback and then push back down, there we can now say, okay, we now have our external break of structure, or you just put it as break of structure. So to differentiate properly, you can just put EBOS as your external break of structure. Personally, I use the capital letter BOS to identify my external break of structure, and the small IBOS that is small letter IBOS as my internal breakout structure. So what we have at this top right here is another what? Low high swing. So this is how market structure shifts based on the basic change of movement from a bullish to a bearish market structure, right? So we still have more advanced structural shift in the market, which if you'd like to know more about advanced structural shift, like manipulations whereby price keeps go on, take out this low high structure, goes up again, takes out this main strong higher high, and then price navigates all the way down. This is an advanced market structural or advanced market structure. So you can check the links in the description of this video. You subscribe, like, and whenever I upload those videos, you will be notified once you hit the notification bell. So this is everything you need to know about breakout structure, internal breakout structure, market structure shift, change of character. As well, we have internal market structure shift. Yes, we have internal market structure shift, and we have internal change of character. Now let me show you something you guys don't know. Now let's say, for instance, price is going this way, and then we have something like this, something like this, something like this, and the price does something like this, something like this, and there's something like this. Now let me show you something right here you guys don't know. You know, this is the main higher low structure right here. This is the main higher low structure right here, and this is the main second higher low, which we're going to have our change of character. Now let me show you something right here. You see what we have inside right here? This is our internal market structure shift, and there's something we have right here we usually call as sweep of liquidity. So I have more videos on sweep of liquidity. So this is going to be our internal. So we put small letter I at the back, so it's going to be small letter M and double S, internal market structure shift. So right here would be your external market structure shift, external market structure shift. So E, capital letter M, capital letter double S, and the right here we call it our external change of character, our external change of character. So ECHOCH. So that is our external change of character. So you can have something like that as well. So as price move all the way down and then comes up, take out this level, comes again, we have our internal breakout structure, you know. So that is it right there. So more on this, if you like to see more tutorials on this, comment I'm interested, I would like to see, put a comment down, and I will create more tutorial videos on internal market structure shift, internal breakout structure, and internal change of character in a bullish market structure and in a bearish market structure. So I will see you in the next one, guys. Manage your risk, calculate your risk before you get into a trade, and don't risk more that you cannot afford to lose. I will see you in the next one. Our free trading signals community is open. Check the links in the description of this video to get your hands in our on our free trading signals community, and as well VIP mentorship program is open for residents of Nigeria and non-residents. Online interactive class, and after the class you get a copy of the class, which means each class we hold will also record the class, and it's an interactive class. You will like it, you enjoy it. So check the VIP mentorship program today to get access to me 24/7, right? To get access to our VIP community, VIP programs, tutorial programs which you may not find on their YouTube channel. So I will see you guys in the next one. Recommendations of reliable brokers in the description of this video. All right. Okay, that is all for now. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.